everyone to this special event. Let us hear a warm message from Benzel Simon S. Lena, kindergarten learner, who will deliver the opening remarks. A round of applause, please.
West District Supervisor, Mr. Reyna B. Baguio, the beloved school principal, Miss Eleanor Vicencio, to our dear teachers, devoted parents, fellow completers, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with great pleasure to welcome everyone to our humble moving up slowly. It is such a joy to see you all today, for this is the first big milestone in our young life, and we're so excited to embark on this global journey of learning, laughter, discovery, all of you. Let us make this day a special one, and we're so happy you're here with us. Once again, welcome to our Moving Up Slowly.
Thank you very much, Benzel, for that inspiring message. So I hope that this message